we're going to talk about music construction and arpeggios. And I'm going to present you with some things to think about that you might get a kick out of. I'm going to give you the postulate that all Western music is based on triads. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 minor. Diminished. Augmented. Major 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5. Flatted 7th. My point is that Western music is based on triads. And you can learn a whole bunch by writing down triads and playing them on your harmonica in an arpeggio manner. What is an arpeggio? It's just breaking a chord up. The reason we do it this way on a harmonica is because you can play that chord, but you're not going to be able to play very many more on what you could do on a piano. So what I'm going to do is, so what have I said so far? What I've said so far is that Western music is based on triads, okay? It's a G. That's an F. It's an E. And so I've said that music is based on triads, and why would I even say that? Because you might want to study what a triad is. Get a creative approach to music fundamentals by Duckworth for a few bucks, used on Amazon, and read about triads and what they are. And then start to play on your harmonica arpeggios. And what's an arpeggio? It's a chord that is played one note at a time on a harmonica. Like, let's take a minor 6th chord. The formula is C, flatted 3rd, 5th. Why might that be useful to you? Because when you're moving around on songs and you can read in your songbook what the chord is and you know what the formulas are, you can easily play along with it. A lot of the time, movement in an improvisation is going to be over the notes in a given chord. Let's do another one that's kind of funky. We're going to do a dominant 13th suspended. Oh, that sounds so complex, but it's actually just 1, 4, 5, and then flatted 7th, and then we've got 9, and then there's the A, the 13th, dominant 13th suspended. So play it on Chromatic Harmonica. I'll just leave the pedal down and the song will continue playing. picked a really complex one because a little bit more complex one, you just have to know the formula, and you can see on each card I have 1, 4, 5, flat 7, 9, 13th, which is the formula for a dominant 13th suspended chord. And then down here, I have what the notes are in the key of C, which is C, F, G, B, flat, D, A. And I have these in every key in all of the chord types that kind of exist. Let's have a little fun. We'll do one more. We're going to do minor 7th. So I'm going to show you my card. You'll see it's 1, flat 3rd 5, flatted 7th. Okay, well, what does that mean? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each note in a scale has a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's where the numbers come from. So that's 1. Instead of the 3rd, it's a flatted 3rd G, and then often when you do this, you'll say, God, that sounds like a song, because it is. Okay, so let's play along on harmonica now. So this is a way that you can explore sound in a maybe more complex way than you normally do. I mean, most of the time, what do you do on a harmonica? You just kind of play around with 1, 3, 5s and goof around with notes. But it would be nice if you knew what each of those notes was like. Let's see. And I did something with harmonica you can't do with the piano, which is bend the note. Those were all draws, but guess what? Those were all bends of blows. You can blow, and you can bend a blow, and you can bend a draw. Anyhow, so music is triads. It's all triads. And there's formulas for the various chord names and chord types, and then you can play them as arpeggios, one note at a time, on your harmonica, and explore the world of arpeggios. It will make you a better player, definitely.